Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Engineer Usman, and in today's video we are going to talk about the basic ingredients that are required to produce uPVC or Unplasticized Polyvinyl Chloride pipe. As the name suggests, no plasticizers are used during the manufacturing of uPVC pipe. In today's video, we are also going to discuss in which percentage each ingredient is used and what is its importance in the manufacturing, and what would happen to pipe if one of the ingredients is not being used. So manufacturing uPVC pipe is precisely a chemical balancing act. The aim is to produce a pipe that is rigid, durable, and resistant to environmental breakdowns. Talking about the first raw material, it is uPVC resin itself. Obviously, it is available in white powder form, and in pipe it is used from 80 to 92% by mass. It is the basic skeleton of the pipe, and it provides the structural strength to pipe. uPVC resin itself is a heat sensitive material and cannot be processed into a pipe without the help of other additives. So here we are needed to include other additives to produce our pipe. Talking about our next additive, it is heat stabilizers. As I mentioned earlier, uPVC material is a heat sensitive material, and if the direct material is subjected to screw barrel assembly of extrusion machine, it will have to bear 160 to 190 degrees centigrade temperatures, and instead of melting, the uPVC resin will decompose or burn out and cannot be turned into a pipe without the assistance of heat stabilizers. Conventionally, it was practiced to use lead based heat stabilizers because the lead is not safe for human health. So these days, these conventionally used lead based heat stabilizers are substituted to zinc carbon based heat stabilizers. These are used from 2 to 3.5% by mass in the formulation of pipe. Talking about the next ingredient in the list, it is filler. Calcium carbonate is commonly used as a filler. It enhances the strength and the stiffness of pipe. One of the major advantages to use calcium carbonate is it is resulted in reduced process cost, as calcium carbonate is considered as the cheapest raw material in the list. So we can use it from 4 to 10% by mass. Using too much filler can result in reduced pipe quality. So if we want to manufacture our pipe as per standard for pressure applications, we need to control the specific gravity of the pipe from 1.42 to 1.46. Using too much filler can result in the increased pipe specific gravity. So if we want to use the pipe for sewerage purposes, we can enhance its quantity, but for pressure pipe applications, we need to restrict it from 4 to 10%. The next ingredient is impact modifier. As the name suggests, impact modifiers are used to enhance the strength and the toughness of pipe. It is used from 1.5 to 5% by mass in the formulation of pipe. It enhances the strength of pipe against the external blows, especially when it is cold weather conditions. The pipe may become brittle while came in contact with external objects. So if we limit the percentage of impact modifier during the manufacturing, or we do not use them, our final product, the pipe, might be cracked or damaged against the external blows. The fifth ingredient is lubricants and processing aids. Commonly, polyphenol oils are now used as a lubricants. Conventionally, it was practiced to use DOP oils as some of health concerns are associated with it. So nowadays, polyphenol waxes are preferred to use in the manufacturing of pipe. So basically, these are of two types of lubricants, one internal and the external. Internal lubricants reduced the friction between the PVC molecules, and the external lubricants are used to limit the friction in between the molecules of resin and the screw barrel assembly and the die of the extrusion machine. These are used less than 1% in the manufacturing of pipe. Last but not least, the ingredient is color pigment. Titanium dioxide is commonly used as a color pigment. Basically, there are two purposes of using them. The first is obviously it provides color to pipe. Without using them, the uPVC pipe will be formed nearly transparent, as we can see the fluid running through it. The second purpose, it provides the strength to pipe against UV light if the pipe is intended to use outdoors. I hope you find this information to be useful. If you do, consider subscribing to my channel, support me, hit the like button and share this information to your friends and colleagues. In the next video, we will talk about the K value of uPVC resin. Until then, God bless you.